Hi mamas and daddies, this is your go-to meal chart to help you heal faster and feel stronger after giving birth to your baby. I am here today to talk about the perfect plan for the first few days and weeks after delivery. You might be surprised to see that we have not included any raw salads or fruits in this meal plan, but trust us, this is exactly what you should be eating when you have just given birth. Let's dive into our day plan, starting with the early morning hours from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. First up, you should drink 1 glass of warm water. It is always best to have it at room temperature or slightly warm, never cold or iced. Now, many new moms struggle with bloating and indigestion, so we suggest you start your day with a glass of warm ajwain carom seed water. Simply boil 1 teaspoon of ajwain seeds in water for about 10 minutes, then strain and drink it warm. Trust us, it will work wonders for your digestion. Plus, it also helps with lactation. Now let's move on to the food. In the early morning, you should eat something light that won't weigh down on your stomach. Our suggestion is to soak 2 almonds and 1 walnut overnight. Simply soak them in water for a few hours and eat them in the morning. You can also add soaked raisins or prunes for extra nutrients. If you want, you can have 1 teaspoon of ghee with a pinch of turmeric powder. It's totally optional, but trust us, it's delicious and great for healing. Moving on to breakfast. From 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., you have 2 options to choose from, veg and non-veg. So let's start with the vegetarian option. You can enjoy a bowl of warm ragi finger millet porridge with a side of chutney. Or if you prefer something savory, try moong dal split green gram dosa or chila with chutney. For those who don't know, moong dal chila is a type of pancake made from moong bean batter. It is a delightful blend of savory flavors and soft textures that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Both these options are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. And don't forget to pair your breakfast with warm milk. You can drink it plain or spice it up with a few dried dates for added sweetness. Another option is to have jeera water. To make it, simply boil cumin seeds in water for 10 minutes, then strain and drink it warm. Now let's look at the non-vegetarian option for breakfast. If you're a new mom who enjoys meat, you can opt for 2 boiled or scrambled eggs with 1 roti and a little ghee. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats which are essential for your recovery and well-being, while ghee adds a comforting richness to your meal. You can also enjoy a cup of herbal tea. You can choose between ajwain tea carom seed or sonf tea fennel or fennel seeds. Both teas are known for their digestive benefits and can help alleviate bloating and indigestion, common issues faced by new mothers. Next up, let's talk about the mid-morning snack from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Keep it simple with a banana or a stewed apple with cinnamon. These fruits offer natural sugars for a quick energy boost and essential vitamins and minerals for overall health. Alternatively, you can enjoy coconut water or buttermilk. Remember to roast jeera or cumin seeds lightly and sprinkle them on top for an added flavor and digestive benefits. Now let's discuss lunch from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Enjoy a wholesome meal that includes steamed rice or brown bread with moong dal tadka or moong dal kikri. Masoor dal or red lentil dal is another great option. Moong dal is rich in protein and iron while masoor dal is high in folate and fiber. Steamed rice is a great choice because it's easy to digest. To make moong dal tadka, heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, garlic, chopped onion, green chili and turmeric powder. Sauté until the onions turn translucent. Then add the cooked moong dal, salt, and a dash of ghee. Mix well and serve hot. Similarly, you can prepare moong dal kikri by cooking rice and dal together with ghee, turmeric and a pinch of asafoetida. This kikri is nutritious and gentle on the stomach. Additionally, include a green leafy vegetable like palak spinach or bottle gourd, lauki or ridge gourd, tori as your sabzi. These vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals that support your recovery and provide essential nutrients for breastfeeding. And don't forget to add a spoonful of ghee on your rice or kikri. It will make your meal more enjoyable and aid digestion. To add more nutrients and flavor to your lunch, consider including a boiled carrot or beet salad. Dressing it with a little ghee or lemon juice will make it even more delicious. As for the bread, opt for 1 soft fulka roti that has been brushed with ghee. Adding this to your meal will give you a nice, soft carbohydrate that is easy to digest. Now there is an optional add-on for lunch. If you're a fan of fish or chicken, you can grill a piece of pomfret or rohu fish and have it alongside your meal. Alternatively, you can treat yourself to a flavorful chicken stew. The protein in these dishes will complement your lentil or egg-based meals, providing a well-rounded nutritional profile. Now let's move on to the evening snack from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Just like in the morning, you can have a baked sweet potato or roasted makana, which is also known as fox nuts. These snacks are not only delicious, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Sweet potato is a great source of vitamin A and fiber, while makanas are rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. To make roasted makanas, toss a handful of cleaned and dried makanas in some ghee or oil along with a pinch of salt and sugar or jaggery. Roast them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. For a refreshing drink, you can enjoy ginger tulsi tea, or once again, you can choose ajwain water. As a special treat, you can indulge in 1 or 2 homemade gondla doos edible gum sweet balls for an energy boost. These traditional Indian sweets are made with edible gum sweet balls and sesame seeds and are a perfect combination of taste and nutrition. Finally, let's talk about dinner from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is your last meal of the day, so make it count. You can start with a comforting bowl of khichdi or vegetable dalia. Both dishes are packed with carbohydrates, proteins, and essential nutrients to keep you satiated. Khichdi is a mix of rice and lentils, while dalia is made with millet. For a comforting touch, add a spoonful of ghee to your khichdi or dalia. It will enhance the flavors and aid digestion. As for the vegetables, you can choose from a variety of options like carrot, pumpkin, or mixed vegetables. Just make sure they are cooked soft and well. Steamed carrots and pumpkin are excellent choices. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can opt for a light soup made with carrots, pumpkin, or even bone broth. Soups are a fantastic way to get your daily dose of vegetables without straining your digestive system. And finally, after your dinner, you can enjoy a cup of jeera or ajwain water once again to aid digestion. Last but not least, before bed from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., don't forget to drink a glass of warm turmeric milk. You can add 1 date or a dry fig to make it sweeter. If you're comfortable, you can also do some gentle breathing exercises or stretching, but always make sure to get approval from your doctor first. We understand that every individual is unique and may have different dietary preferences or restrictions. Feel free to adjust this meal plan according to your needs and consult with your healthcare provider or a nutritionist for personalized guidance. That's a wrap on our ultimate postnatal meal chart for new moms. Remember to prioritize nourishing foods that aid in recovery and digestion. Don't forget to stay hydrated and seek professional advice for personalized guidance. Wishing you a wonderful journey into parenthood. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and recipes. Until next time, happy parenting.